question number 9. Calculate the mass in milligrams of kanamycin required to make 25 milliliters of a 12 milligrams per milliliter solution of kanamycin. Record the correct amount rounded to 1 decimal place. All right, so let's kind of underline kind of the key things that we need to know. 25 milliliters, and then it wants the final answer rounded to 1 decimal place. So to do this, we're going to need our mass formula. So for that, let's do this. So mass in milligrams is going to be equal to our concentration times volume. So we know our concentration is going to be 12 milligrams per milliliter. Our volume is going to be 25 milliliters. And we are looking for mass. So let's kind of substitute the values here into our formula. So we've got mass is equal to 12 milligrams per milliliter times 25 milliliters. And the nice thing about that is our milliliters are going to cancel out. So we are left with mass is equal to 300 milligrams. But we're not done yet because it wanted that final answer rounded to 1 decimal place. So let's just come here. So mass is equal to 300.0 milligrams.